Today we are here to discuss some important concepts of Python. First of all, in first statement here it is written that import math. Here we are importing math library actually. By using this statement, now we can use various maths function in our Python program. And the first concept is our comments. We know that comments are of two types. One is single line comment, another one is multiple line comment. Single line comment are mentioned by hash sign, and multiple line comments can be mentioned by giving three single quotes or three double quotes. As mentioned in this program, we have shown a 1 to 5 line comment here. It can be of many lines. Just you have to write three single quotes or three double quotes. Another one is dynamic versus static typing in Python. So Python supports dynamic typing. It means here written as 10, and again we are assigning value a is equal to kvs. First of all, we are here assigning a integer value, and then we are assigning a string value. Python support this. It will first show value of a is 10, and after that it will show value of a is kvs. So we can assign values to any variable multiple times. Also, we are not giving any data type to these variables. Okay, and in static typing, Python does not support static typing, but C++, Java, etc. other languages support static typing. Here we have mentioned A as integer data type, B as float, and C as string data type. Again we have assigned A value as kvs. Here it will not accept value because a is an integer data type variable, and again we are assigning string values to a. So all these not supported by Python, and it is called as static typing. In static typing we have to assign data type of any variable, and then we can assign value, but again we can't provide different value to that variable. It is called static typing. As written here, no need to assign type of any variable. It is called dynamic typing, which is supported by Python, but in C++, Java, etc. language, a variable type is to be assigned first. Also, multiple values cannot be assigned due to different type of variable. So Python support dynamic typing. Number 3 concept is floor math and ceil function, which we have also included import math library. And the floor function returns the largest integer not greater than number. It means it will return an integer value, but that number should be less than the actual number. Suppose 5.1515 and we are taking floor value of a, then it will return 5. And for minus 4, less value will be minus 5, not minus 4. So it will take a less value, integer less value. Again, ceil function is the opposite of floor function. It will give smallest integer not less than the number. Not less than number 5.15, its upper integer limit will be 6, and for minus 4 its upper integer will be minus 4, not minus 5. 5 function always returns absolute value. Here we have if we are taking a negative value, it will return a positive value. Other concept is bitwise operators: bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise ones complement, bitwise left shift, and bitwise right shift. So for this we have taken two variables, a is equal to 60 and b is equal to 13, and for binary values for 60 and 13 are shown here in 8-bit combination. Now we are applying a bitwise AND operator. When we are printing a and b, so bitwise AND operator will take 1 if both operand are 1. So when we see here in these conditions, when both there is a both are one, operands are one, then it will returning value to 1. Other one is bitwise OR operator, and we have mentioned here bitwise OR operator, and it will take value 1 when both operands are 1, or if either operands are 1, it will return 1 value. So it is the value which is written here, and then decimal value of this is 61. Another one is XOR. We know XOR also returns 1. If either operand is 1, then it will return 1, not for both. It will only return 1 if either operand is 1. So in this, if either operand is 1, then it will return 1 value. So it is returning a value of this. One's complement, actually one's complement always returns the value. Where one is, there is a 1, and it will change it to 0, and if there is a 0, and it will change into a 1. So when we are taking value of a as 60, and it will return one's complement as 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1, as shown here. This one is a one's complement of a. Another is bitwise left operator. Here we have mentioned is a left less than bitwise left operator 2. Actually bitwise left operator first to eliminate first 2 bits and shift all other bits to its left position. So when there is a value is this, and it will eliminate first to 0, and all 1 will be shifted to left, and after that 2 0 bits will be there for bitwise left shift left operator. Also for bitwise shift right operator, it is we have applied bitwise right shift operator to a. Again it will take value, and it will left right 2 bits, and all other will be shifted to the rights, and here in the starting first to 0 will be shifted. So here is the bitwise right operator we have applied, and its value will be, and we will receive a value like this, and the decimal value of this will be equal to 15. So these are the today. Once again we are taking a short notes. Today we have learned import math by including a math library. What are the comments, single line comment and multiple line comments, dynamic versus static typing, and Python does not support static typing. Here we are showing static typing, some maths function, floor, seal and fabs. Then after that bitwise operator, AND operator, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you.